Hello Light Coders. Today I want to talk about links. So what is a link in Linux and what are the two types of links that we can use? A link in Linux is a pointer to a file, like any programming language that use pointers, for example C. Uh, a link is a pointer pointing to a file or a directory. In programming languages, a pointer points to a value used by a variable to point for a value or for a list, for example, or for a data structure. But in Linux, link points to a file or a directory. So creating a link it's like creating a shortcut to access a file. So that's it. For example, if we have a folder, for example, E/B/C/D, and we want from here, in the directory having A, directly using a name to reference the D. Here we can use a link. So that is the usage of a link. We can use it for files or for folders. Now, what are the two types that exist for links? There is two types, hard link and soft link. So hard link and soft link. So what is the difference between these two types? A hard link can only reference files. We can't have a link, a hard link that reference a folder. Soft link can reference files and folders. So that is the first difference between the two. The second difference is that hard link, if we use a hard link and the original file is deleted, the link stay. It's uh, it's not deleted. But if we use soft link and the original file that we use to create the link is deleted, the link also is being deleted. So that's the two differences between soft and hard link. And for the two types, if the original file is changed, if we modify the original file that we create from it the link, the link also is changed. So the any changes is reflected on the link, whether it's a hard link or a soft link. So in summary, there is two differences between hard link and soft link. The first difference is that a hard link is only used for creation of for files, and soft link can be used for files and folders. The second difference is that if the original file is deleted, the hard link stay, but the soft link is also removed. So now let's use comments. The command to create to create a link is ln. So before use it, I will see here. We are in this folder. We have a folder images. Inside of it, we have folder 1 and folder 2 and folder 3. Folder 1 contains folder 2 and folder 2 contains folder 3. And folder 3 contains this text file. And in folder 2, we have also two images. We have folder 3 and the image git.png and linux.png. So let's create a hard link for the image linux.png here, besides the images folder. So the command is ln the image. I will give the whole path of the image, folder 1, folder 2, and its Linux is inside the folder 2. If I don't give another word, the name that the link will have is the same as the file that we use we try to link. So I will give it a name, for example, logo. Now, if I use tree, we have logo here, and for example, if I use ls-l, logo is a link. It's a hard link. A hard link. We have the dash. So now, using this comment, we have created a hard link for the image linux.png inside this folder. So now, for example, if I want to create a if I want to create a soft link, I will add dash s to the comment. And now let's before creation of that, let's try to reference the folder tree using a hard link. So images, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, and let's name it folder. We have here this message that's hard link not allowed for directory for folders. Hard links are used only for files. If I display the hierarchy, we don't have the folder link because hard link is only for files. Now let's do the same, but using soft link. If I add dash s, meaning a soft link, now it's created. So now we have folder pointing to this path, folder 3. If I use dash ls dash l, now we have l. L here means link. D is a directory, and dash is either uh, a either a file or a hard link. So now, if I want to access folder 3, that is here, folder 3, from here, instead of using images for slash folder 2 slash folder 3, I can directly tap cd folder. Now we have notes.txt. So if I try to display the contents of notes.txt, I will return, and I will use the whole path to see the content of notes.txt. I will modify it to see if modifications will be reflected or not in the link that is soft. So let's notes.txt. So that's the content. Hello, this is some notes. We can't modify this text using this command. I forget to mention that this command is already explained in I think the fourth episode. So feel free to go and see this episode if you don't already seen it. So I will use the command nano. I will explain it later, but just to modify the text now, I will hello. This is yes. I will see this is a modification. Control O. Now to exit, Control X. Now if I use this command, so the modification is successfully added. So now uh, if I go to, so now inside the folder, cd folder slash, I will use this folder slash notes.txt. So the modification is really reflected as we say before. So now I will delete the notes, the folder tree, and I will see if it will be removed or not. The soft link will be removed or not. So to delete, we can use to delete a folder. We need to use rm-r, capital or not. We already explained the rm command in the last episode, the sixth one, the sixth episode. So rm-r, and I will give the whole path. So I so now if I try to access the folder, no such file or directory, it's deleted. But for example, if I will remove the Linux image, and I will see if the hard link logo will be deleted or not. So to delete a file rm without dash r, we already seen that last episode. So folder 2 slash linux.png. So now if I uh, logo, it's not a directory really, but it's stay existing. ls-l. The logo is containing the image, and it exists, but even if the original file, that is linux.png, is deleted. So that's it for today. Next time we'll discover new commands and new tips for Linux. Thank you for watching.